My role is as legal counsel in Legal Services Branch. Currently, I'm in the Information and Privacy Law Group, which advises on information, privacy, defamation, and a few other areas. Prior to that, though, I was legal counsel in the Assistant Deputy Attorney General's office.
Haley is a great addition to her team over at Legal Services. She came in, she was new, she was young, but even at that point, the team looked to her to provide answers because she's super bright. So she's just a different voice on her team.
I first started with the BC Public Service as an articled student, so right out of law school. It was a daunting experience, but it was so welcoming. I was in a position where I had people around me who wanted me to succeed. It just felt like home, and I knew I wanted to stay with the BC Public Service and wanted to exemplify what I found coming in with the mentorship, with the support.
Haley's leadership has actually extended throughout the organization. She has been a fantastic mentor and part of our articled student program for a number of years. And she is also responsible for an initiative that connects the ADAG's office with junior lawyers throughout the branch.
The values I strive to exemplify in my day-to-day work is one of an open and helpful colleague and advisor. The only way we move forward as a branch is to acknowledge all of the assets that everyone has and to not try and do everything on your own.
I think Haley approaches people in a way that allows them to very easily both relate to her, trust her, and value her expertise. And when people have that level of trust, they're in a position where they can both learn from Haley for what she has to offer, but also feel comfortable sharing with her in a way that helps both the organization and the people who she's mentoring's career development.
My work can often be challenging and hectic, and it just takes up so much of you in the day that when I come home, I need some way in which to turn off or to relax, and painting is the way that I do that. It is the way that I calm myself, the way that I can just turn off from work. I find that it's quite lovely.
I think Haley's biggest accomplishment is probably the accomplishments of everyone else in government. She advises on a lot of files that are very important, and just her presence on those files, being there and being trusted as somebody who's looking out for government as a whole. Without Haley's interventions on the legal front, I don't think we'd be doing a lot of the things we're doing in government right now.